Hello, welcome to Chatabi After School Learning on Structural Design. My name is Fashe Ochet. So today, let's get started. Is that okay? All right, let's go there. We have done introduction to this particular drawing, where we told you that we are going to be handling this particular project from beginning to, to the end. So which we are going to be doing now. So the first stage now is to actually do our GA, and we know that our GA is what we call general arrangement, and another word for it is what we call structural framing, which is very important. Is that okay? So now for us to start now, the first thing first is for us to copy this, or let me just copy only the drawings. Let's copy only the drawings. Is that okay? Let me copy only the drawings, then CP or CON1. From here now I can decide to come and put it somewhere here. Is that okay? Let me escape. Okay, so I haven't done this one now like this. I can now decide to to move it. Let me say XL, enter, H, enter. Let me come to the outer part of this. Let me just put this one here. Actually, we don't need this one, isn't it? We don't need this one, so we can delete it. Is that okay? We can delete this one. We don't need it, so we can delete this one also. We can delete this one. We don't need it. But this one will not be deleted, so we are going to leave it. Is that okay? We are going to leave this one as it is. So we now study it and really know what the architect meant in that place. So this one now, I'll carry this one down, CP. From this point now, I'll come to this side now, and then fix it here. Escape. Sorry, I'm supposed to delete, move rather. So carry the next one, M, enter. From here like this, I'll come here. Let me fix it here. Let me see. Okay, then pick the last one. It depends on you. Is that okay? It depends on you how you want it. Is that okay? You can try to leave it as it is, but for me I want to arrange them like this. Is that okay? So come here now and fix this one here. All right. Okay. I haven't done that now. This is my ground floor, and since this is my ground floor, I need to study. Okay, let's study together. So the whole of this place now is the bar. Okay, first of all, this is the entrance. Is that okay? So if we enter like this place becomes what? The reception or waiting area. Is that okay? Definitely they are going to do some slab here, such that as people are entering here, the waiter will be around here. Is that okay? Attending to people facing this side. Okay, have understood that now. So now the next thing, okay, I'm having this place. Okay, if I want to go up, I have the access here. I go up like this, and come like that. This type of staircase called open web staircase. Is that okay? So we are at the studying stage now of our GA. Then coming to this left hand side, this is how people move to bar. If they are coming to bar, I'll just come here like enter like this and come to this side. This is the bar, and also this is the gym area. We have the gym on the ground floor, and this one is what? This place, okay, toilet, male restroom. Can you see now? So male restroom, okay, and this other side is what? Female, okay, opposite. Can you see it now? So that's that. We have gym here and also mini supermarket around this place, so that's fine. And here we have what? Also convenience. That's WC. Okay, that means it's under this staircase now. If I go up like this and come like this and come like this to access this place under this staircase, isn't it? So that's fine. I also come here like this now. Okay, this is the manager's office, which is okay, at least close to the entrance. Okay, and this place what? Restaurant. Okay, the restaurant is actually big. My god, it's big. Let's see. Okay, 9 by what? 9 by, let's just say 4. Okay, it's okay. All right, so I haven't done that now. Checking this place. This is the store, and this side is what? Is the kitchen. Is that okay? These are cabinets, whatever, or slabs. Is that okay? Okay. Then coming to this place also, we have the manager, we have detail, we have a control room, we also have a cloak room, and then what do we have here? Convenience also, because of these people here, instead of them coming to this other side, they rather use this side, isn't it? And this is laundry. Is that okay? And this is the staircase. If you don't want to follow through this, maybe you're around here, instead of us coming like this, you can just follow here. Like people around here can just follow this place. Is that okay? Or if they still want, they can come to the lift here area. Is that okay? So now, likewise, this place now, I can see this what they are having here. Is that okay? What they are having here. Let me go to the first story. Okay, I have it. Is that okay? I also have it. Then the next floor, okay, I don't have it. Is that okay? So that is fine. That means on top of this, that's why I'm having this. Is that okay? All right, that's fine. So let's now begin our column position and everything. So knowing fully well that this particular structure is a hotel building, and also G+3, that's 1 2 3 4, isn't it? So that's 4. And based on the information received, then each story we are going to be having a height of 3.9. Is that okay? Sorry, 3.9. So that times how many? All in all is 4 times 4 gives, or can you see 15 point something? Is that okay? So 3.9 height of wall is not small, isn't it? And you can imagine that a block wall is quite much, isn't it? So on that note, now I'm going to be using instead I will have said let me use a 350. Is that okay? I will have said let me use a 350, but let me use a 350. It's an assumed section, isn't it? Let me use a 400. Is that okay? Or sorry, 450. Is that okay? Permit me to use a 450. I don't want a situation whereby we're having too much of columns, too much columns failing. Is that okay? So, and looking at it also, it's a hotel building, isn't it? Because if you count the ground floor all together, we are talking of what? We are talking of that's American way of counting. That's 4-story building. Is that okay? 1 2 3 4, 4-story building. But if it's British American way of counting, this is what is 3-story building. So on that note, now looking at the height, and knowing also fully well that the height is already more than, can you see, it's already more than 10 meters above the ground level. Automatically I'm going to be applying wind load. Is that okay? So for the structure to be able to withstand the wind load, I need a good vertical structural element, which is the column, isn't it? So that's fine. So on that note, now I'm going to be using what 450. Is that okay? So I'll pick my polyline. Let me pick my polyline. What's happening? Polyline. Okay, I'm coming. Okay, polyline. So like this way I have my two. First of all, let's check what size of the column are we having. Sorry, of the wall. Our wall size is what? Okay, 225. So 225. Since it's 225, I'll come here now, pick my polyline like this. 225, enter by what? 450, enter, and this way is 225, enter, and close it. Is that okay? So if I measure it now, if I come here now and measure, can you see 225 and also by what? 450. That is fine. So I'll just leave that one aside. Is that okay? Let me bring it closer and let me change the color from this color. I'll come here to red. Then come here now, increase it to something visible. Okay, I think it's okay like this. It's visible. Now I'll now come here now, have my L, enter. Is that okay? Construction line. That's fine. Then enter again from here. Let me see to this place. Is that okay? So I now press my XL, enter, B, enter. Is that okay? I'll put it here also, enter, then H, enter. Is that okay? Let's wait for it. Okay, H, enter. Okay, let me escape. XL again, and H, enter. I'll come here and fix this one. Then this one, now they are done with their duties. Okay, delete this one. So I'll have to change the color of this. Is that okay? Change their colors to the color that I want. Okay, I want this color or this one. No. Which color now can we go for? Let's go for this. Okay, yes, you can go for this because among the background here there's no color of this. Is okay. So I'll copy this one. I'll CP, enter. So from this edge now, all this one now I will need to remove it. I don't need it. I don't need all these ones. I don't need all these ones. I don't need all these ones before I will forget it and then copy it and go to this, to Protastructure. Is that okay? So that is that. So the next thing now is to begin to copy this. So from here now, click on the select this one, CP. Don't forget that we know our wall is what 225, isn't it? From here now, I'll begin to copy it and put it where I think is important. So from here now, I'll come here and fix it here. Is that okay? Come here again. At this stage, I'll just be fixing it here for now. Is that okay? Let me just leave it here. Let me just put it here. Later I'll check it. Is that okay? Later we'll check it and see what we are having. Is that okay? This one, even some all of this one, we're supposed to even delete it. So this one I'll not put anything here. So it has given me its own shape first of all. So the entire place like this can be a slab, isn't it? So this place now I'll come back to it later. So I'll come here now, and also I need one here. Okay, this position, let me see, let me have something like this and also something like this, and come here now, something like this here. Let me come back to this place and see those places that I'm not having a vertical construction line. I also need for this. Is that okay? But we'll come back to that later. Is it the same thing? Okay, it's the same thing. It's the same dimension. You're looking at it. Okay, I have one here. I also need one here. Is that okay? So coming down to this place now, let's come down. Okay, this one, we have this one here, and we also have this one here. Is that okay? And we also have this one here, and we also have this one here. Sorry, I'm coming. Okay, then come here again. Okay, we have this one here. Okay, what about here? Okay, we have this one here. Let's check. Okay, that is that. So let's now escape and let's now pick this one, then CP or CO, enter from this point here. Is that okay? Though we already have this one here, this one at this edge here. Is that okay? Let me just match the color, match the property to this one. Yes, okay, then CP, enter from this edge now. Let's be going. Okay, along this place I need at the center here, this center one I need it here. Is that okay? I need for that one. Okay, then we are going from up downward now, downward direction. Is that okay? And I already have this one, so the next one is this one here, is this one here. Then the next one is that okay? The next one is this one here. Let me use this one here, okay, which is also aligned with these ones. Is that okay? I also come here now. Let's see if it will align. Yes, perfect. Can you also see it's aligning? So also go, let's confirm it all through. Okay, that's fine. Now here again, this place, this around this place, let's see. Do I need it here? Do we need it? So we'll confirm later. Is that okay? Let's just put it here for this particular one. Is that okay? And you can also see what we are having around this place also. Okay, we need something like this here. Okay, this one seems to be 6 inches. Is that okay? So I'll come here now. I'll put on this point, at this point here. Then this one also it needs. Is that okay? So let's see. Okay, I cannot use this one here. Let's see. Let's confirm what this one was. Okay, this one again. I need this one here to take care of this one, isn't it? This particular line of beam. Okay, this one is also okay, and this one it goes. This one okay. All right, this one we also need this one here. We are going see what that place is meant for. Click on this place now. Okay, everything seems to be okay now. Okay now. All right, so we also need for this place. Correct, so it seems to be okay. All right, so now that we have this one now, we are going to continue. So I'll copy this one now, CP. Let me keep it somewhere here. Let me keep it somewhere here. Then click on it, RO, enter, then come here now, click like this. Can you see? Very easy. Is that okay? Let me do it again. Undo. All right, for you to rotate, instead of you to do RO, enter, and begin to do like this, to do like just let me use the word, I'm coming, just the simple way, RO, enter. Is that okay? Just come here now, anywhere you want, either here or move away, anyone. Can you see? Make sure that your on snap is what is on. Can you see? That's all. And then I move it up a little to where I want it to be, maybe somewhere like this. Correct, so that anyone I need, I can easily pick it. Depends on the direction. Is that okay? All right, so in this case now, I'm going to be having something like this. This particular beam, we are going to be having something. Can you see this extension here? This extension from it here seems to be more than this place, so let me use this one because of my projection. Is that okay? I'll press M, enter. Is that okay? From here now, from this angle, not from the center, I'll come here and fix it here. Can you see what I'm having? So can you see it now? So now I can click on this, or let me pick this one now. Then CPO, anyone. So I'll come here now. This point here, I'm going to pick from here. Looking at this place now, I'm going to use this place. So can you see what I'm having? What I'm having here now? So see what we are having. So I can delete this one. I can just be picking anyone. Then CP, enter. So from here now this place, I'll come back to this place later. Is that okay? I'll come back to this particular place later. So for now, and looking at this one now also, let me use this one. Is that okay? CP, let me pick this one from center. When I get there, I will adjust. Is that okay? Let me just put it here and click on this, enter from here to this point here. Can you see now? So that with this one now will now come, whenever I put a column here, this one can come and rest around this place, isn't it? So I'll come here now, CP or CO, anyone. So from here now, I can pick from center. Okay, for now, let me just put it here like this, and come here again like this. Okay, I'll come here again like this, and come here again like this, excuse me, and also leave this place for now and come here now, put it here. This place also, this one is dot, so let me see if you can put it. If you put this one here like this, is that okay? Let's look at it. If I put this one here like this, if I put this one here like this beam can come like this and come here as a cantilever, isn't it? Now what about this one? If it's coming, what is going to hold it? Automatically there will be need for what? For a column here, isn't it? So which means that we can have a column here, understand? We can have a column here, and this column we are having here, understand? We can have this one cantilever and this one to come and rest on this particular place. What I'm saying is that, let me put it first. For example, when we have it like this, okay, we have it like this. So as this one is coming, it's extended as a cantilever to this place, isn't it? As it extends to this as cantilever, and this one is coming, for example, like this one to this place now. So we cannot have this beam now from here to come and rest on this place, which is okay, isn't it? So that is fine. And because of this length now, let me see if I can use another this thing. Let me change the orientation. Let me just say RO. Is that okay? Oh, it's not on. Undo. My on snap is not on. Is that okay? So click on it, then RO, enter. Simple rest. Carry it, M, enter from this point now. Let me just fix it here. Then click on this, M, enter from this center here to this point here. Fine. Is that okay? So haven't done that now. So let me continue with this. CP or CO, anyone from here now. I can come here and pick this one here. Is that okay? So also, how do I want this one to run? This one is going to run like this, form of a cantilever as time goes on. So let me just put it here like this. Then click on this, enter from this place and put it somewhere here. All right, so for now we can see what we are trying to achieve. Likewise, what I have here now, CP or CO, I'll come here now from this point. Let me see, I'll put it here, let me click on this one, then enter. Is that okay? Enter, centralize it at this point here. Okay, that is fine. Now coming to this place now, or I can do it this way. I'm coming. Let me remove this one first. Let me move this one first. From here, let me put it here first. Is that okay? Then from here now, enter from this point to this point. Then click on this. Then CP, enter, and come here now and pick from this place now and have it here. So can you see it now? You can now see it. So I can come here now and also do the same thing here, and come to this place now. Also have the same thing here, and also come here now and have the same thing here. Is that okay? So let's leave this one for now, and come here. I also have this one here like this, and also I can come here now and have this one like this. Is that okay? Can you see what we have done up here now? Can you see it? Okay. So now after that, I can come here now. I can try to put it here like this again. Escape, then click on this one now, enter, position it here, click on this one, CP, enter. From this point now, I'll begin to put it on this other side again. Is that okay? On this other side again. Wait, I'm going to change the orientation of this. I have to change the orientation of this. Yes, I have to change the orientation of this. Is that okay? I will need to change the orientation of this. Let me just click on this, then RO, enter. So from here now, let me on my unsnap. Yes, then enter. Then from this point now, center here. I'll come here, put at the center. Can you see it now? So come here now, CP or CO, enter. From this point, I pick this point, and I come here now and fix it here. Then click on this one now, enter. From this point to this point here, then click on this and remove it. Is that okay? I'm doing this because of this span here. Don't forget we are not going to be having a beam here. What's the beam length? Looking at the requirements, this place we are not going to be using any beam. So from the center here to this place, okay, see, just 6.8 is not much, so that is fine. So that's why I change the orientation of this column. Is that okay? Okay, now let's proceed. Now around this place now, so which column? Let's continue with this one first. So I'll come here now, click on this CP. This is what we are doing now. Pick from here. I'll come and put at this edge here. That's fine. So that is that. I'll come here now, click on this CP, enter. From this place now, is there anywhere we're having the same orientation? Okay, on this other side too, this side, and come here. What about here? We don't have anything here, but let me just put it here first. Is that okay? I'll come here now, put on this other place. Is that okay? I'll come here now, click here, then click on this enter. From this point here and put it here. That's fine. Then let's go again. CP or CO, come here. From this point now, let me say, can I have something like this? I'm coming first. Let's do something like this first. Okay, let's check the dimension, the distance from here, from this center here down to this point here, 4 point something. Can you see it now? Which means this column is not needed. Then enter. From this point now, so this one will now come like this primary beam, while this one become a secondary beam, isn't it? So that's fine. I'll come here now, and I'm having something like this. So automatically I'm going to use this place. Can you see it now? Can you see what I have done? So can you see? Let me remove it again. Can you see what I'm having here? You can see this wall here, and you can see this one here. Until when we get up, we see what we are going to be having around this place. Is that okay? So that's that. I'll click on this one now, enter. Excuse me. Come here now and fix it back here. Okay, come here now, CPO, enter. From this place now. Okay, this place we need to think very well. I mean very well. Let me see if I put it here like this. Okay, it can be like this. Yes, correct. then come here now and put this one here. Okay, we'll come back to talk about this place. Is that okay? And this place also, let me come here. I cannot use this one here. I have to use this one. That means there's need for, I'm coming. Let's see. Since this beam is going to run like this, there's a wall here. Am I correct? A wall here. If there's a wall here, yes. Can you let's look at this together. Now, if I put a column here, is that okay? If I put a column here, then extend like this, beam like this both ways, is that okay? And then I have this one here, come this way. If I have a support here, let me say I have a support here, which is okay like this. Then if this one is coming like this, what is going to hold it here? And if I put this column here, I'm trying to explain and reason. Definitely my beam will extend like this, Then what about coming like this? You discover that no support around this place, which is not too okay. So automatically, I can just come here now. I'm coming. I can just come here now. Let me see CP or CO. Though there are some places that might still reduce the column. Is that okay? Try to reduce the column. I think it's from here. Is that okay? So that is that. Now among this one now, we are going to have something. Let me say around this place, maybe around this place. Do you guys now? Around this, so that this beam can run all through. While we have our dodge around here. Is that okay? Duct rather around there, around this place. So invariably, let me do something here. Click on this one, CP. From here now, let me put it on this side. Is that okay? Then since I'm using 225, so half will be what? 112.5. Am I correct? CP, enter. Sorry, CP. Then click on it again. Enter. So from this edge here now to this place is what? 112.5. Enter. Perfect. So that will come here now. Click on this one now. Excuse me. CP, enter. So from this edge now, I just put on this edge. Can you see what I have now? So now, which means that as this one is coming from here like this, it lands here and stop. Is that okay? So and this one also go through, isn't it? If this one goes through, then I can now have my, if I like, I can use beam to connect this one to rest on this one and to rest on this one, isn't it? This one will become my primary beam, while these two become my secondary beam. Is that okay? And we have our dodge around here, isn't it? Dock around here. Let me see from here, like something like this, and like this. Is okay? All right. Okay. So I haven't done that now. What do we have again? Where do we have again? Let me click on this. Then CP, enter from this point now. Let's see. Okay, around here also we need around this place. Okay, then click on this, enter from here now. I'll put it somewhere here. Is that okay? Okay, so let's see what we are having. Okay, made this other side. So I'm going to make use of this this column here. Is that okay? Then CP or CO. So come to this edge here and come here now. Okay, we also need around here. So come here, fix it here. Is that okay? Perfect. And also come here now. This one here, fix it here. And also we also come to look at this place also, just like we look at that place that time. So come here now, fix it here also. And also finally I come here and fix it here. That's fine. So let me delete this one. Is that okay? Let's delete this one. Please, when it comes to GA, take your time to do it very well. Is that okay? Take your time and understand what you are doing. Is that okay? Understand what you are doing very well. It's very, very important. Is that okay? All right, that's fine. Because from GA, you can really solve 60% or even more than that, 70%. Is okay of the problem. Okay, I haven't done that one now like this. I haven't done this one now like this. Looking at this one now, I'm thinking of something already. I am thinking of something already around this place. Yes, around this place. I'm thinking of something around this place. Now, if this place now we are having something like this here, and this one is coming to this place, this one definitely is a beam. Automatically is a beam on the ground floor. Is that okay? Is that okay? But this one now continue from here, not this one. So what we are going to do now is that there will be an extension like this, isn't it? So if there's going to be a section like this, that means my column orientation will definitely change. Let me look for that particular column. Okay, let me see something. Okay, CP, enter. Let me see from here. Let me say I'm putting it here like this. Is that okay? So you can see the effect here, which means that we definitely need of what, of a column, sorry, this beam around here, this beam extension, which I don't really want at all. I don't want that at all. I don't want it. So what I'll do in order to achieve that, and don't forget, we are also having this kind of cantilever here. Is that okay? Which we are going to know what we are going to do. But for now, I will suggest let's do it this way. Let's do this way for now. If there's need for us to change the orientation, we get to know later. CP, enter. Okay, from this point now to this point, then M, enter. From this point inside 112.5, enter. Then move this column, M, enter. From this particular point now to this particular point. So can you see it now? Since this beam is running straight, is that okay? It's running straight at this point. Is that okay? We can leave this one like this. Is that okay? All right, that's fine. Okay, so which means that this one, as it's coming like this one can come to this point and goes this way. Even this one, we can do the same thing to this point here. We can do this one to this, the same thing to this one. Let me delete this one. Is that okay? Then CP or CO, come here and fix it here. So can you see it now? We can see what we are having. Perfect. So that by the time we want to do this place now, we can now extend this beam all through, and with this direction of the column, it's able to carry, withstand this cantilever, isn't it? So that's fine. So I haven't done this one now. Now let's look at this, all these places first before we now come to this these areas. Okay. Okay, now what's going to happen here? Okay, sorry, you need this one also. CP, enter. From here now, I'm putting it on this. Okay, now if I'm looking at this one now, this one here, if you look at this wall, can you see this wall? What's happening here? Can you see what's happening here? You can definitely see what is happening here. You can see that it's not up to this, isn't it? It's not up to this, which means part of this beam, as it's coming, part of it will rest on this column and part of it will rest on the beam. Is that okay? Which is still okay, but I don't really want that. Let me check something. Let's check for something. Let's check from something from here. 525. Okay, why don't we have something of that nature, and also on this place also? Is that okay? You can actually have it. Let me see this thing. This particular line is for which column? It's for which? Okay, it's for this place. Do you actually need this place for now? Let me delete this one for now. Is that okay? Let's delete this one for now. And even this place is for which one? This one is okay. It's for this. Is that okay? It's for this, which we might definitely need to cut it. Is that okay? Because if not, during Protastructure around this place, where is it? This place now, if care is not taken, where is it? Okay, maybe I've deleted it. If these axes are too close, let's say we have another axis here. By the time you want to insert your beam, you discover that between this place and this place, Protastructure will try to create a beam in between them, which is not okay. Is that okay? That is why if this particular line, construction line, is not meant for the entire place, you can do what? You can adjust it to that specific area. Like this one now, you can adjust this line to this place and also this one to this place. Can you see it now? So that it will help us to avoid any form of errors. Okay, so having done that now, let's see what were we saying. Let me see. Okay, pray I remember. Okay, we are here now. Let's check. This one is also okay. Okay, we are talking about this place. Is that okay? Part of the beam will definitely rest on the column and part of it will rest on the what? On the beam, which is okay. Is that okay? Which is still okay. Or if you want, another person can say, okay, let me do this way. Enter and come and fix that. What I'm coming. Pick it from here and fix it here. Can you see now? So which now make this one to become what? Form of a cantilever. Is that okay? A cantilever in this place, which for now I don't want, because this is the structure. I don't want that, so I rather move it to the edge. Is that okay? Let's be somewhere here. Come in. Okay, that is fine. So I can decide to extend this. Can it be extended? Let me on my this app. Let me see if it's on. Can it be moved? Okay, it can be moved. Okay, let's do this way. Let me remove this one. Is that okay? Let me pick my rectangle. Let me see from here to this, then match the property. Enter. Where is it? We have it here. So can you see it now? So this one can come here and this one can come here. Can you see? So that is fine, and that's what I'm going to use even in this place. Is that okay? That's what I'm going to be using in this place. Then CP, enter. So from this point here, I'll come here now and fix it here. Is that okay? Anywhere that we need such a thing again, I think that's all. This one is perfectly okay. Okay, these ones are okay, these ones are okay. Everything seems to work okay for now. Now let's now come to this place now. Let's now come to this place, this particular place. Definitely let's look at the length. Let's look at the length from this center of this place to this point here, because it's not straight. From the center here, this seems to be 10 point something meters to this point here. So this is what we are having, isn't it? So I can now say, let me come here now. Okay, that's 10,275 divided by 2 gives me what? 5,138. 5,138. 5,138. Click on this one now, CP, enter. From this point now, and come this side, 138, enter. So you can now see where it's landing. Is that okay? Where it's landing, which means that this is the half of this from here to here, 5, which is okay. Is that okay? Which beam is okay. And if I say it's okay, let's look at it very well. Now my beam here, what happened to this place around this area also? Is that okay? What if I now say, okay, I'm moving this one, let me get the center M. Let's do it this way first. From here, let's see if you can get the center. This is the midpoint. Am I correct? This is the midpoint. So if this midpoint, what am I having here? From this point here to this point, can you 5.6, 5.6, and also from this point to this point is 4.6. Is that okay? Which is still okay. So that's that. I want to centralize it. Is that okay? I can come here now. Looking at the shape, I'll come here now. I'll use this. Looking at the orientation, I'll come here. Let me see from here. From this point, I'll come here. Fix this one here. Fix this one here. Is that okay? That is fine. Is there anything of such again? Okay. Now I'll come to this place now. Before I will decide whether I'm going to put it here or not, let's look at the length also. Let's look at this place first also. So, excuse me, from this point to this point, 9 points. Is that okay? 9 points. That's 9,250. Is that okay? 9,250. Let's bring our calculator. Our calculator, we have a 9,250 divided by 4 point what? 4,625. 4,625. 4,625. Let me see. 4,625. Let me see from here. From this point to this point, this is 4,001 something. Am I correct? 4,625. This is 5 already. Am I correct? This is 5. Where is 4? 4, 6 around here. Is that okay? So if I say I want to put it here now, I'm going to have another axis. So the best thing, and since I already have a column here, this axis here, I'm going to make use of this. Is that okay? So that is fine. I'll come here now, copy this one. I'm looking at the orientation of this particular beam. Is that okay? I cannot come here now and begin using this column and use this column, sorry, and come and use this column here. It doesn't make sense. Can you see it now? So we have to see how we can hide it on inside the wall. So I'll definitely come and use this one. CP, enter. Let's get the center correct. So I'll come here now and fix this one here. So can you see it now? So if I've done it that way now, automatically I can also do the same thing here. So can we see it now? I can also do the same thing here. Is that okay? Which means I will definitely be going to have what, a beam here. Is that okay? A beam running along this this path. Is that okay? All through. Do you get it now? So that is fine. Okay. All right. So okay, now I'm thinking of something here. Please, let's look at something here. Very important. Now, as I said, this one can come like this and have this one line like this. Is that okay? Why can't I remove this? Can't we remove this? What's the distance? Can't we remove this one here? From here to here is just 3.2 point something. That's small. So let me remove this one now. Let's do something like this. Let me say I removed this one like this, and I have this one here. CP, enter. Understand? And come here now and have it here. Can you see it now? So in this case now, it said that I come here now, enter, come here and put it on this. Can you see it now? So, and if I say I'm doing it this way, automatically the, what do you call it, the beam from this plate to this plate to now carry this length of beam. Understand? I don't want to risk it. Is that okay? And I don't want to have unnecessarily too much of a depth of a beam. Is that okay? Because the way you model at times, the way you model at times might require, you know, also can determine your depth of beam. Is that okay? So that is so you can also control it, your depth of beam. Is that okay? All right, that's fine. So looking at this one now, let me see. I move it. Let me undo it first of all. Let me undo it. Let me see what I was having before. What I was having. Okay, this is what we are having, and our reasoning was that this one will come like this, extend like this, and this one have it like this, and I want to have a single column. The cost of having this and this one, and the cost of having only one, I think it's better to have only one, isn't it? Have this column here, you can manage number of reinforcement, and come here also have the same column here. Understand? So it's better I just have only one. Is that okay? I just have only one column, so I can come here now, pick this one now, from here to this point here. Is that okay? So just to have that, so number of reinforcement will definitely reduce. Is that okay? So let's even check what we have. Number of reinforcement. In this case now, we might even use a Y12 or Y16. Is that okay? Let's see. Okay, see what we are having. Okay, look at what we are having. So it's as good as the same size of column, isn't it? Because we have a 450 here, 450 instead of 900. That means it's still okay. Is that okay? Because we have a 450 here of column and 450 here of column. That's what, 900 against 225. And what we're having is what, 825 against 5, which is still okay, isn't it? So that's better. So, and with this case now, number of reinforcement will definitely reduce, isn't it? So it's better I have something like this, so that this one now can come here, rest on this, and from here this one also go for this. Is that okay? So that is fine. You can see the calculation and the thinking. Is that okay? All right, that's fine. So even though I'm going to put a beam here, automatically this one will become a primary beam, while this one will become a what, a secondary beam. Is that okay? All right, so let's see how we can first of all position our columns. Is that okay? We might not be able to finish because I don't want this particular video to be too long. Is that okay? We're already 43 minutes 34 seconds. So that is that. So having done this one online, let's see how we can position the column for now, and later maybe in our next video when we are doing our paneling and all of that, we now see some of the column that we might need to remove or to add. Is that okay? But first of all, let's see what we have. Okay, so if this from here to here like this, I'm coming from this point to this point is what, 5, am I correct? 5.6 against 4 points, means that's it's less than 30 square meter, which means I can have a panel here like this one panel and this another panel, which means I will definitely have a beam running like this, and also like this. Is that okay? I also need a beam in this place. Is that okay? Sorry, a column. So I'll pick this one now, CP, enter. Is that okay? And come here now and use it here. Is that okay? That is fine. Okay, that is good, that is good, that is good. Okay, now what, coming to this place now, can you see this place now? We have an issue here. Let's see how can we achieve this. This particular drawing, this particular place now, if this beam is coming if this beam is coming, it's coming here, isn't it? And this beam is also coming, is coming here. This one also coming, is coming here. Is that okay? Okay. What can we do? What can we do? What can we do to solve this? Where can we put our column here? So can you see what we're thinking now? So it's normal. Is that okay? Because as structural engineer, you cannot just be getting everything. There are places whereby you need to think and reason how you are going to run your drawings. Is that okay? All right. Or what if we have this particular one, let's say we are putting this column at these edges so that the beam can run from here like this, all through like this, isn't it? All through like this to this one, and then because this beam cannot cross this place, isn't it? Or if we cross it, is that okay? If we cross this place now, they can adjust this one inside if they see what it is, isn't it? They can adjust this one inside. If you cut this beam like this, is that okay? So they can have this one like this. So I think that's the only way we can solve this, because definitely if you are leaving it like this, there might be need for column around here, isn't it? For this one to be able to come and rest on. Is that okay? So that is one. Or if you can just shift it from here, this beam that is coming like this, is that okay? This beam that is going like this, because there's a beam here, this one is a beam. That's another thing. Can you see? I don't want to have this too much of a issue. So can you see, if this beam is coming now, it's coming, yes, it can come and rest on this. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. That was it's not an issue. It's okay. So what we are going to do now is to have a column here maybe around here, and then this one around here. Is that okay? So that this one can come and rest here, or just have two columns here. Is that okay? You might just have two columns here, or just one, because if you are putting one here, automatically we are going to be running this one like this all through, which means this paper need to be repositioned. Is that okay? And if you don't want that, then we just have to, and we want to continue, we just have to choose one option. Is that okay? And let's see, let me copy this one now. Let's see, CP from here now. Let's see, from here to this edge, what am I having? Okay, it's also in line with this one, isn't it? It's in line with this one, and to this edge is coming this way. Is that okay? So now let me now move this one now. Let's say I'm moving this one and this one and also this one now. Enter from this point now. Let me choose this one. From this one now to this one here. Okay, can you see what I have here? Then automatically in this place now, let me say CP, enter from this point here. Let me see, from this edge here, I'm going to be having something like this here. I need something here like this. Is that okay? So which means that there will be a need for this axis. I can now click on this one now, enter, then from this point now take it inside by what? 112.5, enter. Is that okay? So can you see what I'm having? So you can now see what I'm having here. So that's what I'm having here now. So can you see it? So I can now have my beam running like this, all through like this, and this place now. So this one can also come. Is that okay? Also come. Instead I come here and end here, or somewhere here, and this one now become a cantilever, isn't it? So if this one becomes a cantilever, what happens to this area here? Because those are the things we need to think of. So automatically I'm going to make use of this. Let's say this one, CP, then I'll still look at it. Is that okay? But for now, let's just say we have it here. Is that okay? Let's say we have it here, so that this one can come here and rest on this, and we have this wall and we have this one, isn't it? So that is fine. That means two columns by each other's side. Is that okay? So that is that. Okay, so that is that. We are having something here. It seems this one seems to be a cantilever. Am I correct? Yes. And this one also becomes what? Let me check the other floor. Okay, there's nothing there. Okay, this one it has nothing to do with the drawing, so I can remove it. I think it's this one they use. It's this one we're having here. Let me measure it. Let's measure from here, from this center here to this place, 1.53. Let me come here now. Let me also measure from here. Let's see, from here 1.5. Can you see it now? So that is that. Okay, we have that. Okay, so I think that's what we are going to be doing. That's what we are going to use. Is that okay? That's what we are going to use. So this one can come like this one project like this. We can use one of this, and then this one also one of this, and then this one one of this and one of this, and it's come and land around this one here, which is okay. So this is what we are going to be doing. Okay, looking at this one now, I think okay, this place also, looking at this length now, let's confirm the length from here to this place. 8, that's 8 point something. So automatically I'm going to be having a column here. Is that okay? CP enter, sorry, CP enter. From here now, I'll just come here now, click on this one. So then RO, that's to rotate. Let me escape first. Then RO, enter. Then come here now, try to rotate it like this. Then come here and pick it from this edge, M, enter. Then from this point here and come here and put it here. Okay, I think that's okay now. That's perfectly okay. So if there's need for us to panel this place, so that we can use this one, or we'll also use this one here in the kitchen. Depends on how we come about that. So what we are doing now is still what is still our column position. You can notice that at this stage we are not deleting windows and doors, because at this point it's very important for us. They are very important for us. Is that okay? So now looking at this one now, definitely let me now finally we can have something like this. We can have something like this, and also on this other side, and here we can have something like this, and also coming to this place now we can have something like this around here like this, and also around here like this, and this one around here like this, and this one also, this one here. Okay, from here now this is our staircase, which is an open web staircase, and here also we are going to be breaking this place. Is that okay? We are going to be breaking this place. By the time we superimpose, we know what we are going to do here. Is that okay? On this place and this place. Is that okay? So by the time we superimpose it, we now get to know where this one is landing. Is that okay? Where this one is going to be landing. Is that okay? From there we can now bring it to this place. Is that okay? And also the rest, even this one also can have a panel like this, and this one panel, or we can make them entire panel. Okay, we might need to separate them. Is that okay? Panel and panel. Is that okay? All right, and if you want, we can also do the same thing. You can get to know. Is that okay? We can get to know. So click on this one now, then CP, enter. Is that okay? I'm going to pick from this center here, from this edge of this staircase here, from this edge here. Is that okay? Don't forget where we are picking from. I think we put it on this edge here. Copy it here. So you can now see what we are having. You can see what we are having. That means automatically this particular one is resting on this window, which is a beam. Is that okay? Which is a beam around this place. Definitely I'm going to have a column here and also a column here. Is that okay? On these two edges. Is that okay? I'm going to have a column on these two edges, but for now let's just, when we get there we'll cross it. Is that okay? So for now let's leave it. Is that okay? So in our next video, that's where we now continue with the rest. Is that okay? So that is that. So thank you very much, till I see you next time in our next video. And also look at this place. First of all, let's look at this place, this particular area. Let me check. Can you see what I'm having here? Is that okay? What I'm having here will determine this my column position here. Either I'm going to still make adjustment. Is that okay? Either I'm still going to make adjustment, we'll get there. Is that okay? So that's why it's very important you watch this video from beginning to the end. Is that okay? We are still on GA. Our next class will still be on GA, which we will try our best to do to finish the GA, and then the next one will not be what entering to Protastructure. Is that okay? So it's in our next video we are going to complete this GA. So thank you very much, till I see you next time in our next video. I want to say bye, and also please don't forget to like, subscribe. Is that okay? If this is your first time, is that okay? Like this video and also subscribe. Is that okay? And also comment. Is that okay? If there's anything you have observed, so that we can effect it before we enter the next in our next video. Is that okay? If there's an observation, please quickly forward it to us. Is that okay? In the comment section. So from there we can, in our next class, we first of all do what? Make that effect, or explain why what you have said is okay, or why if you do it this way, what's going to be the repercussion. Is that okay? From there we learn together. Is that okay? So thank you very much, till I see you next time. Finally, I want to say bye.